have 25 amazing Amazon must-haves when it comes to fall, and I just may have some extra bonuses as well. Everything will be linked in the description box below. I've created an entire page on Amazon so that you can watch the entirety of this video and then easily shop all of your favorite products in Amazon. This first high-waisted skirt is absolutely adorable. Look at the button details right here. This beautiful corduroy for fall and winter, and then this tie. I'm going to show you how I tie this. I will show you the materials, and then I will do a try-on for you as well so that you can see what they look like. These bodysuits, I'm absolutely obsessed. You can see I have a white one, I have a salmon, I have a black one. The reason I like these bodysuits is one, it's comfortable, and two, it has this detail right here so you don't just look like a flat blob when you are wearing them. I love them so much. I also bought several of them in the short sleeve version. As you can see right here, I have 4 different colors. You can still absolutely wear these in the winter, especially if you wanted to wear a cardigan over them, a dressy jacket, a jean jacket. The possibilities are endless. This is my current favorite jewelry. I wear this with almost every single outfit, and of course these gold rings. It came with a big pack. They are super great quality. I've washed my hands a million times and they are still holding up. Also, this pack of earrings right here is a must-have. Not too heavy, because you know if you have heavy earrings what that does to your earlobes. This is definitely a keeper, starting with these over-the-knee boots. Super comfy, not too high, yet very stylish, and has a tie on the back so that you can tighten them as needed. And here we have this paper bag skirt. You can see the cute button details. This would look great on absolutely anybody. And of course, the very sleek bodysuit right here. I am just gonna be living in this, I feel like, all fall and probably all winter long as well. This skirt also has this very nice pocket detail that you can see right here on both sides. Now, I did opt for a size small in the bodysuit, even though I am 5'7", and it still fits very comfortable. I wanted it to be form-fitting, and that's exactly what it is. So here's how I'd like to tie these paper bag skirts and shorts. So take your 2 ends, wrap one over the top, you can see right here, pull it through so it looks something like this. Yes, you can see that. And I prefer, and then I'm just gonna wrap this one around, I prefer more of a bow style when it comes to these paper bag skirts. I just think it looks a little more cute, a little bit more girly, a little bit more feminine, a little bit more stylish, and then you can go around and play with the bow as needed. 2 additional skirts right here. This one is a bit longer. It's a pleather style, and of course a classic leopard print. This is super soft material. I'm absolutely loving this. If we flip this over, you can see that we have a zipper here, and then if we flip this one over, you can see that the zipper is in the back. So soft, so stylish. I absolutely love this. I could just wear this all day long, all night long, and this would go with any color bodysuit. I particularly like the black. You could also pair this with a brown high knee boot, which I'll show you here in just a minute. Again, super comfy. Love the zipper detail on the back, very flattering, easy to move around in. Great color, especially for the fall, moving into the winter time. These outfits also pair very nicely with these flats. So comfy, cute, stylish. You can run in these, you can walk in these, date night, play night, mom night, whatever it may be. And here we are pairing these flats with this leopard skirt right here, and I'm loving this look as well. I can't say enough good things about these shoes. I actually wore them to a cabin this past weekend, and they were just absolutely perfect. Cozy, comfy, yet stylish. These 2 jackets right here are a staple in every woman's closet. This one right here I wore to our cabin, and I wore it almost every single day. I've even thrown it in the wash, and it has held up very nicely. This hood right here is also detachable, so if you do want a more sophisticated, put together look rather than this right here, you can certainly remove that. And then this one right here, if you could feel this, this is so soft, smooth, and silky. It's not silk, but it feels so nice. And we have some nice zipper details here. What I love about this is how it zips in the front. Yes. Now, depending on the time of year, this is where those short sleeve bodysuits would come in handy. But look at this. Yes, I'm loving it. The length is absolutely perfect. Let me go ahead and zip this up for you so you can see what that looks like. And here we are with it zipped up. It even zips even higher if you want it to go like that, but I prefer this look right here. And I love the zippers on the pockets. You could open things up, but this just looks good with anything. With this skirt, you could pair this with a pair of jeans, dress pants, basically anything. This jacket is so versatile. There's so many different ways that you can pair this jean jacket. This outfit would also look super cute with a pair of white Converse tennies or white tennies. I can link some in the Amazon list with this outfit that I love that I got on Amazon as well. But again, you can take that hood off if you want to. I really like the hood on. Stylish, cute, and always in style, these jean jackets. These high-waisted pleather pants, they are so comfortable. It makes it look like you put a lot of effort into getting ready, but really it's all in the pants. And might I say, they do make your hiney look very nice. And I know that can be tricky to do with these sorts of pants. I've also ordered these in sort of a brown caramel color. So I'll probably link that on Instagram, a picture of that when they arrive. But these came very quickly, super flattering. Again, I love this high-waisted. I've had 4 children, so you can imagine, but they're super comfortable. I mean, I can squat down in them. I'm not worried if they are going to rip. And here is the white bodysuit. See again, this ribbing detail right here. I think it just adds a little extra touch of something nice. And all of my undergarments are also from Amazon, so I will be sure to include those as well. Let's go ahead and pair it with this cardigan. This cardigan goes with so many different things. The thing I love about these pants, the shoes, the cardigan, all of this, it makes it look like you actually spend a lot of time trying to get yourself together, and really it was quick and easy, because we all know that time is limited and you want to spend hours on end trying to put outfits together, but you want to look cute and put together. And I love this date night, work night, hanging around the house. These pockets are also very nice if you need to just put a little something in there. It's just an extra style detail that I like. You could also tie this up if you wanted to. That would be a great alternative to just kind of change up the look with one piece that you have. And again, this sort of pattern is always on point, and you cannot go wrong with a simple cardigan such as this one right here. I love this whole outfit. I think this looks amazing together. These 2 sweaters right here, I am just loving them. Dressed up, dressed down, with jeans, with Converse, with cute mules such as this one. Basically anything, winter boots, fall boots, you name it. I love the button detail. And then again, I chose just some classic colors. These are awesome for fall, but really any time of year. I'm gonna show you these on. This looks super cute. I've worn it both with these pants right here and with jeans, flattering on anybody. This right here, you can wear this so many different ways. You could actually tuck this in right here if you wanted to do something with just a bit more style. It's a little bit more on trend. You could leave it down just like this. You could do the front tuck. That's what I love about these sweaters right here. And then look at the buttons right here. You can see I also have the bodysuit underneath this. The sweater is nice and warm, so typically I would not wear this. I would just wear a bra or a tank top. The sleeve length is absolutely wonderful. Dressed up, dressed down. You can wear this with light jeans, dark jeans, and again, these pleather ones right here look super cute as well. Amazing! This is just soft, luxurious. I love this, and I just tucked it in right here for a little extra style, a little extra flair. It's just very flattering, not too bulky. You can still look put together, and again, just very casual all at the same time, depending what type of shoes you want to pair it with, or what type of pants, or what type of jewelry or accessories. And again, I would not wear this bodysuit under here, but just for convenience purposes, that's what I have. I would just wear a white bit lower cut tank with this one, but I just love this. Look at this, adorable, cute, comfy, cozy. Again, not just for fall. This will look great in winter and spring as well. These next pieces right here, if they had them in every color, I probably would buy them. It's like a sweater dress, but not quite a sweater. Again, casual, dressed up. It makes it look like you put yourself together and put a lot of time into it, when in reality you did not. I just love this detail. And then I'm not a huge hood person, but I actually really like it on these 2 pieces right here. You'll see what they look like in just a second. I've washed these multiple times. Everything looks great with the color and the quality still. Let's talk about these boots, because I'm going to pair these together. These are just above the ankle, but they are super comfortable, and this chunky heel right here is super in style right now. Very affordable pricing. Now I would waterproof these, as with any boot that you're going to buy from anywhere. Now, even though these boots have a chunkier heel, it does not feel like it when you are walking in them and wearing them around. And here we are in this dress. I could sleep in this dress. It is so comfy, cozy, looks stylish. I cannot say enough good things about this dress. And then you can just, you know, zip it down as low as you want or zip it up as high as you want. You can cinch in the waist, you can expand the waist. I really do think this would look good with anybody's body type. And again, just paired with these booties right here, this would also look very nicely with a pair of Converse sneakers or white tennies if you wanted to downplay it a little bit, and also those over the knee boots, which I'm absolutely loving this season. Now, between these two colors, I'm not quite sure which one I like better. I think I might have to say the cream, although the red is amazing too, especially, I don't know, paired with these booties. This is amazing. If you could feel this, you need to be able to feel this. I think after doing this try on right here, this might be my OOTD for the day. Now, time for some true sweater dresses. This one here is super stretchy, so don't get scared, but the button detail, I cannot wait to try this on. I just think it's gonna hug in all the right places. And again, this one right here, this beautiful brown color, this also has a hood. You know, I'm not a big fan of the hoods, but I just think it looks so well put together. And then I absolutely love the sleeves right here. Let me show you what these look like on. Okay, I lied. I think I'm gonna be wearing this for the rest of the day. I am obsessed with this sweater dress right here. And again, these boots look great. I could also wear the flats or the knee-high boots right here. Either way, all of it's gonna pair very nicely together. It's just like a classic wardrobe, these pieces that I've chosen for myself and for you. This is so comfortable and stretchy, and it's just hugging in all the right places. The booty up in here, this button detail just gives it a little extra oomph, a little extra pizzazz. I mean, come on, this right here, I'm loving this one. Okay, I lied, maybe it's this one right here. I'm just obsessed. I am in love with all of these pieces. I'm not just saying that. Okay, this dress is amazing. Again, hugging all the right places that you want it to hug. Here's what's really nice about this. Not only is it super comfortable, I just have bra panties and all that under there. I don't have anything. It's not itchy or anything like that. Again, absolutely loving the hood detail. The black one that I just showed you would also look really cute paired with that jean jacket that I showed you earlier. And again, any of these boots, what's nice about this is you can play around with this. If you want to make it more stylish, you can kind of do a bit of a tuck like that. If you just want to pull this baby straight, you can do that as well. But again, I love that. I mean, it really like accentuates the booty, which is nice. I'm not going to be mad about that one. And again, if you're struggling with some issues here in the tummy area, that's where you can kind of play around with this. I think this would look great on any body style, any figure, any shape. Yes, yes, yes. I have worn this denim shirt so many times, especially with those skirts that I have shown you. And I've worn these with jeans. I've worn them basically with anything. What I love about this is you can roll the sleeves up depending upon the time of season. And this is perfect. Rather than looking a little bit sloppy and unput together, I love the tie. It's a bit of a crop top style, which is totally the style right now. I love the button details right here. It washes up very nicely. Now, a couple dressy things, and then we're going to move on to some casual things. Now, this pleather skirt right here, love it. Everything that I've talked about will pair nicely with this. Very flattering, super comfortable. With these sort of skirts, I tend to wear spandex underneath them just because, you know, they're a little bit short depending upon which ones that you buy. Okay, this dress, I'm going to show you something here in just in a second that's really going to wow you. Again, hugging all the right places. I am obsessed with this color green. I've seen this in so many magazines. It looks great on almost any skin complexion. Actually, I think any skin complexion, any shape, any size, and I love this right here. Now, you certainly can pair the dress with these flats if you want to, depending upon what you want to be doing. If you're going to be dancing, I'm heading to Chicago here in a couple of weeks, and so I am going to be wearing this dress. I loved it so much. I bought this style of it as well. And again, you can wear this in the fall. The long sleeve one is absolutely amazing as well. It can be as high cut as you want, as comfortable as you want. You can bend, you can dance, you can go to a dinner date, you can go to a party, pair it with just some classic, simple jewelry, hair up, hair down. You're gonna look awesome in this. And here's really a true color of that nice emerald green. This color, yes. Coming back to this beautiful green color. I bought this first in pink, loved it so much, had to buy it in green. It's an off the shoulder shirt, I'll show you here. And then I also pair it with these pants. Here we are in these super comfy jeans. And can I just say, they hug the booty very nicely. They're cozy, they're comfy. You can squat, you can move around in them, dress them up, dress them down. Even though they have the holes, you can see here paired with this really beautiful off the shoulder shirt, that it looks just nice, cozy, and comfy. Again, what I love about this shirt is you can tuck it in if you want to, depending upon how you want to style your outfit for that day. You can leave it completely untucked. It just has nice flow and mobility with it. You could pair this with a belt if you wanted to, but I also think it just looks super cute undone like this. I'm also gonna love this after my workouts. I have a fitness YouTube channel of just throwing this on over my workout gear and calling it a day, because again, you can pair this with so many different things. This fleece jacket right here is nice and thick, but not too thick. Loving the pockets that you can see right here. I love having a nice jacket like this so that you can just quickly put it on if you need to run out of the house and get somewhere, or you wanna put it together and style it up with a nice pair of jeans. This is probably gonna be my ride or die jacket for this season. Winter, spring, fall, you name it. Love the pockets, super comfy. I got everything that I'm showing you here in a small, and the small just fits me perfectly. Amazon will give you recommendations for your size just based on past purchases, but I'm 5'7" and I'm about 120 pounds, if that helps you make some decisions about things that you want to buy. But again, a lot of the things that I'm showing you are high-waisted, or they just hug you in all the right places. But this jacket right here, really great quality. We have this beautiful blue half zip right here with a little leather detail here on the zipper, front pocket, and then we have the honeycomb. I just wanted something super casual, comfy, warm, but not too warm, because you do not want to be sweating when it's warm inside your house. Again, I just like this half zip right here, just a nice detail with the leather. You could pop your collar if you want to in this particular shirt, or you can leave it down just like so. If you want to tuck it, you absolutely can do some sort of tuck, just depending upon what you're feeling that day. I like the front pocket right here. It's just all the way through. You can put all your goodies in there, your cell phone, whatever you want, your hands. Yes, I feel like everyone should have this. I keep saying that, but all of these pieces, I just, yes, yes, yes. Now, I'm not a huge turtleneck person. In fact, this is probably the only turtleneck that I own. And the reason that I bought it is, yes, a classic black turtleneck is amazing. But I love necklaces, so I typically don't wear this. And I'm not one to put necklaces on the outside of the turtleneck. It's just not my jam. But the button detail right here, yes, a little extra pop, a little extra zhuzhing, shazam. What I also love about this is it could be very form-fitting, so that you can tuck it into your pants if you want to. You could do a half tuck. Now, I probably wouldn't wear this turtleneck with this particular set of jeans. I would probably do non-holy jeans with this turtleneck, but it is super soft, super cozy. I'm loving this. Not too hot, again, because you do not want to be sweating your buns off in the middle of winter when you are inside your heated house or at a party or any sort of social gathering. But this is a classic one. You definitely need this. You'll notice a trend here. When I find something I love, I like to buy it in multiple colors. Okay, love this. I don't know if you call it like a sweatshirt. It's sweatshirt material, but it's also dressy. I like it right here. Look at here on the shoulder. Yes, beautiful. And then I have it in black, and then I also have it in navy. This sweatshirt here, I want to point out, I love this. This is great for you. This is great for a gift idea, a new mama. I showed this in a previous video that I'm going to link in the description box below, with tons of other Amazon goodies, not just clothes. I think this shirt looks great paired with these black mules right here. And again, you can do a ripped jean, you can do a regular jean, super cozy. I love the sleeves right here, just a little poof in the shoulder. You can tuck this in, you can wear it out, whatever you're most comfortable with. I prefer it tucked in just for a little bit more style, and it's just more of me and my flavor. But I love this. This is so cozy and comfy. Again, I'm gonna wear this out to pick up my kids. I'm gonna wear this to work. I'm gonna wear this after my workouts, throw over a set of leggings and a sports bra. Yes, we like it. Yes, yes, yes. All right, I'm gonna be doing some Amazon lives here very soon. So make sure that you follow on Amazon, so that when I go live on different products, all things Amazon, you will not miss that, because I love this. I hope you love this as much as I do. I'm obsessed with Amazon. I love seeing the products on people, actual people. I do not shop in stores because I need to see it on a human that I could potentially relate to. And I also want to know if it's good quality, so that's why I test everything out for you. Click the video on screen now for some additional Amazon goodies that you do not want to miss. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.